Today we're going to be installing these rear door organizers by Veritas Vans. I started off by working inside the van to ensure that the panels didn't interfere with the seal and that it'd have a good fitment. I also made sure to start on the side with the door handle. This way you can ensure that it operates correctly and then line up the rest of the panels off of that first panel. I didn't really like the screws that were provided, so I ended up buying these screws. They have this washer on the top. It's kind of fixed. Looks a little bit better. It's a black finish, that way they'll kind of disappear. I drilled a pilot hole for 2 screws in each panel to start. This way I could line up everything and make sure the reveals were good before locking everything down into place. I then tested to make sure both the doors opened and closed without any interference, and then sunk the rest of the screws into place. These rear door organizers come with or without rear zip windows, and they're handcrafted here in San Luis Obispo, California. If you want to find out more, I'll put a link in the description below. If you want to see more of this van build, hit that subscribe button to be notified on all my future videos. As always, thanks for watching.